we're going to start with is greetings and for you to say it as well. Alright? I'm not the only one that will say it. Yes, you're your teacher, and for this other ones, I'm their daddy. But we're not the only one that will say. We are all going to start practicing how to say that. Is that okay? How if you see that it's 1 to 6, he's only saying is for learners, very beginning, and you know, like I want to start from very beginning. The M for today is after we finish, you go home speaking at least one sentence in English. Is that okay? At least one sentence. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, you're gonna be loving it. Now, the first part we're going to learn, is what is called greetings, and in Igbo it's called ekele. Say it.
Ekele.
Again?
Ekele.
Yes. Ekele, it means greetings. It means what?
Greetings.
Ekele. And in English, what's the first greeting you say in the morning?
Hello.
No, in the morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Ututu Ọma.
Ututu Ọma. And in Igbo, do you know what it said?
Ututu Ọma.
Ututu Ọma.
Say it again.
Ututu Ọma.
The first one we say is that one. Ututu Ọma. Now, let's make a sentence with that. Okay. Ututu Ọma is good morning. Do you know what it is to say that's my sibling or yeah, my sibling? You know they are your brothers, right? And these two are sisters. You say that. How do you say it in English? Not brothers, but siblings. So say it. Well, say. Yes. I want you to combine that as though you are speaking to them both. If it's two, is umunnem in Igbo. If it's one, is Nwanne. Okay? Nwanne. Nwanne means my siblings from the same parents mostly. In Igbo we say is what?
One.
Say it with me.
One name.
There's an M there.
Ututu Ọma.
Say it. One name. Let's go.
One name.
Where?
One name.
One name. And what did I say one name means?
Siblings.
My, not just siblings. My siblings.
My
The M in English is a man. You know the M-Y or M-I-N-N-E. Ma. In Igbo, anyị jinane M. One name. So how do I say good morning, my brother or my sister in a short form? You'll say Ututu Ọma, one name. I want everybody to say that. Let's go.
Ututu Ọma, one name.
Ozo?
Ututu Ọma, one name.
Good. Ozo means again. So I'm gonna use here. I'll be using Ozo instead of again. Okay?
Ututu Ọma, one name.
That is my sister. I got that there. And when is now brother or sister, instead of just stopping at one name, okay? A boy, a boy is called Nwoke. Is what?
Nwoke.
Say that. Nwoke.
Nwoke.
Again?
Nwoke.
Also?
Nwoke.
And a girl is called Nwanyị. Is what?
Nwanyị.
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 Alright, let's go one by one. I'll start from you. Ihụnanyachi. Mr. Nwoke wogen. Sorry. Mr. Boy wogen in Igbo. Boy. Nwoke. Say that. Nwoke. And the girl is what? Nwanyị. Good. What's your name, boy?
Caleb.
Caleb, what did I say a boy is in Igbo?
One.
Nwoke.
Okay.
Say it again.
Okay.
Also?
One name.
Just say Nwoke for me.
Okay.
Again.
Okay.
And the girl is what?
One name.
Nwanyị. Say that.
One.
So in Igbo, boy and girl is said to be what? Nwoke na Nwanyị. That's boy and girl. Alright, let's go again. Everybody, what is the boy in Igbo?
Nwoke.
I want to hear all of us.
Nwoke.
What is a girl in Igbo?
Nwanne.
Is what?
Nwanne.
Nwanyị. Say it again.
Nwanne.
It's that one. Say Nwanyị. Everybody.
Nwanne.
Nwanyị.
Nwanne.
Nwanyị.
Nwanne.
Alright, if you now want to say my sister, so don't forget this. Good morning, my brother. In Igbo, it's almost like that. If you want to say good morning, my brother, let me hear you try say that in Igbo. Good morning, my brother. Ututu Ọma. Okay, you try again. Again? One name. Okay. Say it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yes. Say it, Caleb. Say good morning, my brother.
Good morning, my
Say it in Igbo.
Nwoke.
What is good morning first in Igbo?
Hello.
No. Yeah, hello is like hi and hello, but what is good morning? In Igbo, we actually say good morning, not hello.
Nwoke.
We say Ututu Ọma. Say that. Ututu Ọma.
Ututu.
I want to hear you.
Ututu Ọma.
Again?
Ututu Ọma.
One name Nwoke. Say that.
One name Nwoke.
Now say it together.
It's
Ututu Ọma, one name Nwoke. Say it.
Ututu Ọma. One name
Nwoke.
Okay.
Hey, boy, focus so you can do it. It's easy. Or they hard. Mimi, I say that?
Ututu Ọma. One name Nwoke.
One name Nwoke. And remember your name?
Chooks.
Chooks, yes, that's correct. It's on your back. Say that. Good morning, my brother.
Ututu Ọma Nwanyị Nwoke.
Don't forget that. That's what makes it mine. It's not just one name Nwoke. One name Nwoke is Ututu Ọma, the brother. Ututu Ọma, the brother. But if you want to say Ututu Ọma, my brother, okay? Or it's Ututu Ọma, one name Nwoke. Let's all say it. 1, 2, go.
Ututu Ọma.
One name Nwoke.
Nwoke.
Don't forget the Let's go again. 1, 2, go.
Ututu Ọma.
One name Nwoke. Slowly. 1, 2, go.
Ututu Ọma.
One name Nwoke. Now, when we talk of women, girls, what did I say we use for girls in Igbo? Help me.
Girls in Igbo is
Not you. Him. You. If you don't know, then your brother Chooks. You forgot? Already. Chooks, let me hear you. Girl. We have girls here. So no, girl is not one name. One name is sibling. You know, we use one name for both male and female, but if you want to be specific, I say it.
Ututu Ọma.
Ututu Ọma is good morning, but I'm talking about when you're saying girl in Igbo. Nwanyị. Let's say that.
Nwanyị.
Again?
Nwanyị.
Also?
Nwanyị.
Now let us say the sentence. Ututu Ọma, one name Nwanyị. The first one was one name Nwoke. The next one now is one name Nwanyị. Everybody say that.
Ututu Ọma. One name Nwanyị.
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 Wanna hear you? Nwanyị.
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 Nwoke.
Nwoke.
Nwanyị.
Nwanyị.
Okay, ka m bịa jụọ ajụjụ. Ị mara na ịbụ nwoke ebe a welie aka gị elu. You know ihe m kwuru. Ịbụ nwoke nke bụ nwaanyị. Ele nke ewu nwoke ka nwanyị. Ewu nwoke. Okay, will you again? That's what I said. If you are a boy, raise your hand. But I won't say it in English again. Alright, I'm gonna say it in Igbo. Ya bụrụ na ebu nwoke. Nwoke, you know hala nwoke, you know it means what?
Boy.
Boy. Nwoke, boy. Ụmụ nwoke, will you go name? Are you a boy or girl?
Boy.
And I just said you were a boy, raise your hand.
And I did not
Alright.
raise my hand. Just for nothing.
You should learn it. It's easy actually, it's not hard. Now, Nwanyị ole nọ here. How many girls do we have here?
Abo.
Two. Abo.
Two.
Abo.
Abo.
So get money Nwanyị ole aka gị?
Abo.
Good. Oh, okay. Now we are learning a little bit, and I don't want to rush it because you people need to at least say that every morning. Okay?
Okay.
What did I say? Say that every
Morning.
when you wake up and meet your brother, don't just call him by his name. Okay? So what do you say to Chooks when you wake up? And
Good morning.
Igbo, not English.
Okay.
Good. High five. You see? Now I want you to say that again.
What do you start with?
I want you to say good morning,
Good morning.
my brother.
My brother.
Say it in Igbo.
Good morning.
Igbo.
Walking.
Okay. What is good morning in Igbo?
One.
Igbo. What is good morning?
Um.
All right. Let me hear you. Learn from the little girl. Wanya hagi. Go back and on again. Tell him your name. Okay. Ihonayachi. Ihon. You can call that Ihon for short.
Not.
Ihonayachi. Good. Caleb, we're gonna learn how to say good morning from Ihonayachi, and I want you to listen in Igbo. Okay? Ihonayachi, turn to him. Tell him good morning in Igbo, and then he will repeat after you. Listen to her. Now say that.
Ututu Ọma. Ututu Ọma.
Again?
Ututu Ọma.
Again?
Ututu Ọma.
1 year high five. Akise kara boya dingo. Ne akise. Alright. Caleb, for you, I'm gonna be very happy. I want you to get fully Ututu Ọma one name. Alright, with time you will add the Nwoke and Nwanyị. And Chooks, you help at home. And I know not quite easy to learn how to speak that. Like Nwanyị, we meaning girl. Nwoke meaning what?
Boy.
Yes. I need you both to use that. Like the only way you can learn Igbo is to constantly use it. Not only speaking when you come here, it's then useless. When you are speaking to mommy, or when you want to call him, alright, if you want to say come,
Okay.
what do you want to say?
Yeah.
Come. Okay? So now you can also use this. You know this word is Nwanne. What?
Nwanne.
I can say Bia Nwanne. I say that.
Nwanne.
What does it mean in English?
Come.
Come.
My sibling.
Come my sibling. That's the literal translation. But it can mean come my brother. It can mean come my sister. So in Igbo, sometimes we don't use brother or sister. We rather use one name. You see? Especially when they are not your direct siblings. Like I know you are from Nigeria, like I am. So if I see you outside, the right thing for me to use is hey one name, meaning hey my bro or my sis. I can use that for either for a girl or for a boy. One name, especially if we are not from the same family like you all are. So you can refer to her as one name. You can call her as one name. right? Because we are in a community that are not Igbos. So if you meet another Igbo, you can just say, ha, be a Nwanne. Like, come brother or come sister. Now, what have you learned here? Let me know. Tell me what you learned.
I learned that if you want to say brother or sister, you can say one name, and I learned that boy is Nwoke.
And Nwanyị, and girl is what?
And girl is Nwanne.
Nwanne.
Nwanyị.
Nwanyị.
Nwanyị.